Hello, this is a quick video to announce the rules for the giveaway that you've been waiting for, the Good Crafter Pyrography Machine. There is one stipulation for this contest. You must live in the United States. Other than that restriction, there are 3 ways to win. First, leave a comment on this video. Second, follow and leave a comment on Good Crafter's Instagram account at 2AutoTool. Third, follow and leave a comment on Good Crafter's Facebook account at 2AutoMetalStudio. I will put links to those accounts in the description below. I am also going to put a link to Good Crafter's website, and that website has their Instagram and Facebook links, and it also has any other contests that they have going on, so you can check that out. When you leave a comment, make sure to include the word Good Crafter. If you leave a comment on all 3 accounts, then you have 3 chances to win. The contest runs from now until December 16, 2022. On December 17th, Good Crafter will select the winner, and I will do a video announcing that winner. If you are not familiar with the Good Crafter burner, I did a review on it this last summer. This is the same brand that I created the orchid flower and the carnival mask artwork with. Well, good luck to you. I hope that you win the burner, and I will be back on the 17th to announce the winner.